Into this world all alone.
There are lessons to be found here. But mostly I do this so you can know me. Lately, as I write these, I realize they are as much for me as they are for you.
Oh, Donna cameo.
The karmic lubrication to stuff my guilt into a savage compartment. I've become the thing.
Who's buried here?
The one I hated.
Clay with a wooden sign? Not even a gravestone?
Love, camaraderie, freedom.
So glad he found his beanie. Very fancy gravestone. Just the best for Obi. He couldn't have avoided that bird. Very nice symbolism though. The white dove. The sign for peace. Smashed to pieces. There will be no peace.
I'm sorry about Diosa. I just lost track of what I took.
You knew taking that mini could kill you.
But it didn't.
Grateful or disappointed?
I don't want to die, Jim.
But do you want to live? There's a difference.
Nero, say anything about last night?
Not yet. He's keeping it to himself. For now. But that bomb will blow up one day.
Are you kidding me? I'm about to go catfight on the colored girl.
Ah, Gemma, you're so simple.
Mrs. Teller.
Suck my white crack.
We can't choose our family, right? Are you willing to let your family pay the price for your mistakes? Is that what a good man would do? Because if that happens, I promise you, son, it's gonna destroy you. That's not the law in me talking. That's a flawed mother who made a lot of mistakes.
And these are some intense close-ups.
Own your place.
What you're taking away from this conversation, Jax? Well, it wasn't so much a conversation as more of a monologue. But still.
We need to find her first, to convince her that the club is depending on her.
To convince her not to rat.
And if we can't,
Then we do what we have to do.
the administrator at the hospital. She's tight with her.
Margaret's already gone, guys.
And the new lawyer. Let's sit on him, see if he's in touch.
Maybe Browski can help. Have his cops keep an eye out.
That's a good idea. Give him a call.
Yeah, put the Lord of the Dogs to some use. That guy wasn't really needed in this season, so far.
If you're here for ice cream, I'm afraid it's just a front.
But you have some candy in there.
Maybe you should have called another meeting. Why don't you say you were giving up guns?
Every move I've made since picking up that gavel's been heading in this direction. You knew it was coming.
Mayans are setting up in Stockton.
I got business in Stockton.
Everything I've been doing has been headed in that direction. You knew it was coming.
I didn't know, because you were rarely part of the show.
I'll text you where to meet.
Say that.
Bye.
Was that Daddy?
No, baby.
The disappointment is real.
They're gonna take us to a really cool place.
He's so pissed.
I stinky monkey. I don't like it.
Great impro talents there.
How long you know Mayans were setting up in Stockton?
Found out yesterday. What, you think I'd keep that from you?
I don't know.
Well, you kept it from him for one day.
I don't keep secrets from friends.
Unlike you, Jax.
All of these bad things that are happening to the mother of your children, just maybe that's because of some heinous thing that you did to another child's mother.
I don't know where you're going with this.
Please don't lie to me twice. I know what you had juice do.
What did Juice do?
Killed an innocent woman. And then you looked at me in the eye. And you lied to me about it.
The intense close-ups are back.
The thing with Lynn was about the Irish and my guy.
You killed his uncle and 8 of his guys. How does that not hurt openly?
That's not your worry.
Neil was about to be done with Jax. He hears one bad thing after the other.
I guess neither one of us is important enough to get marks on the street.
You can't be seen with the hardware. I'll arrange and
Wake
meet.
up, issue. I'm just a wetback thug and you're an obsolete white boy. Neither one of us can eat at this table.
That whole thing will probably explode in season 7, huh? All these different gangs.
Give him the money, huh? What is this? Just putting food on our table, Carnal.
Oh, you were planning to kill Marks, dude? And now it is a war.
Lions and Niners, that be still on?
More than ever.
Full immunity for Pamela Torek. You give them that bullet and your testimony allows them to use RICO.
I'm staying at the Barnes Motel. They can pick me up there.
I'll let Patterson know.
Looks like she's staying.
This episode, so far it's dragging. The pace is completely off. Dialogues are taking too long. Shots are too long.
Did you go this morning?
Yeah, just me and the Khans burying him. What was that for?
Because you went to Clay's funeral.
I love you, Wayne. Hope you know that.
Yeah, well, I'm very lovable.
You get well. Come see you at Family Day.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's terrifying. You're my family.
At least you have a lovable uncle.
How's your wife?
My cancer wasn't exactly the retirement she had planned. She's in Boca, hooked up with some guy with a boat. Goddamn boat.
Well, some women love boats. Some love trailers. Find yourself a trailer woman.
Here comes Daddy.
I just love the fact that he completely ignored her. And she thought she was coming for her. He was coming for her.
Sit down.
You don't have to be scared. He won't do anything here.
I know you think you need to do this, but I can't let you. You know that.
Please don't. Hurt me in front of the kids.
Are you kidding me? Like he would do that.
Let me say goodbye to them before you take me.
No.
You don't have to run. Not anymore.
What am I supposed to do?
Just be a good one. Save our boys. Please.
He and Charming, or what? What does he mean? She's supposed to stay after all this? Just raise the kids? And what about the deal with Patterson? Patterson? Ah, who cares? You know who I mean.
I need to be alone for a while.
What do you mean, a while?
Right now, okay?
Jesus Christ.
What? I can't handle this shit today. Do not play with me.
Yeah, I can't do this
What
shit.
are you talking about?
I'm going to tell you right now. Let's just go, Mama.
What the hell happened?
Would you come with me?
Of course not. Not without her boys.
You know I can't make that
choice.
No.
But I have to.
Are you dumping me?
He's dumping the club. So he has to dump you too.
I turned myself in as the source of the KG-9 that Matthew Jennings used. Just me, not my club.
Ooh.
Nothing will happen to her or my boys. She's free to take them anywhere she wants. I'm gonna go and spend some time with them. Then I'll meet you at our house at 6 o'clock.
Are you sure you want this?
Yes. I've called my lawyer and he's putting it together.
Why wouldn't she want this? This is... Happy end. Unless something fucks it up. I don't know what would, though. Oh, maybe Gemma. She's kinda pissed. Currently, so...
We got the club in a good place. And shit's a little bumpy with Brown, but that'll iron out.
That's where you're wrong.
You should tell the rest of the club.
Why him? Shouldn't the VP be the next president?
I was wrong about Jess. He can't be trusted.
What?
What happened?
Bring him up to speed.
He can't be trusted because you put that shit on him. Killing that woman.
Whatever Tara wants, you support it. Thank you. I love you both so much.
The rest of the club not so much, right? Which is why they were not present during this conversation.
Hey! You okay? I've been calling you.
She's drunk, Wayne. Drunk and high and angry.
I got a call from Tara's lawyer looking to pull police archives from Charming. They're arresting him. Yeah. I guess Tara made a deal.
You idiots. Now she will freak out without even knowing what exactly is going on. Well done, Wayne. You fucking moron.
Where you going?
To work.
My truck is blocking you in the driveway.
Feeling really lightheaded? Would you get my pills?
Don't leave her alone, Wayne. And off she goes. How can one guy be so stupid? This guy used to be chief of police. How did you get here so fast, Wayne? She took your car.
She took my truck.
I'll find her.
Yeah, okay.
Is it really okay? I thought he can't be trusted,
I miss you, brother.
You betrayed me.
This is your fault, you fucking asshole. I mean, why did he choose Jews, of all people, to kill that woman? Oh fucking Christ, Gemma's here. Teddy, drop those suitcases and pull out your gun.
Wayne, is that you?
Grab a knife. Grab something. Not you! Holy shit!
I'm looking for Gemma.
You've come to the right place, dude.
Oh my God.
Fuck. Teddy, you're probably next.
Jax gave himself up to protect her. To keep her safe. We got it.
Fucking knew it! Now what? Say something. Let me in.
Tara'll come pick him up after I go.
Yeah. We're waiting for her. Patiently. Right here. Nero joins Team Brown and Yellow, huh? I don't get this though. Why would he join them? I mean, it's okay that he quits the Sons of Anarchy business, but why is she jumping in with the next crew? He should just stay out of it all. That was clever. Breaking the murder weapon. But what actually have you done with the bodies? This homeless woman. I mean, this made it look like she was real. But she can't be real. Why the fuck was she in Ireland? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, you did nothing with the bodies, you just left them. Huh. Checks you're this close to tick territory. You're under arrest, Mr. Teller, for the murder of Teddy. And also Tara.
The day is
well, obviously they can't hold him for long, even if they arrest him. Because it's not the same gun that killed Teddy. Well, anyway. Unfortunately, one of the weaker season finales, regardless of those final moments. Those final, extremely good moments. But the direction was just bad. Or the editing. I guess the editing could have saved a lot. Just cutting some of these scenes short. Or cutting some scenes altogether. But it was just drawn out. For the most part of it. Dragging and dragging. Just lingering on. For a couple of seconds longer. And longer. And longer. Actually, this entire season was a bit weird. You had the Lord of the Dogs, who pretty much had nothing to do, who had pretty much no influence on the big story. Same about Kim Dickens' character, whatever her name is, Colette. You had Clay wasting away in prison, just waiting for his execution, because you missed the chance to kill him off earlier. And then you have this drawn out season finale. Of course there was still enough drama and fun to keep you entertained, but still, just looking back at the entire season, no.